Hello everybody, welcome to Delft Junction. What we're going to do today is going to go down to the March exhibition. I think there's about 21 exhibitors there. I don't know many trades, but last year, we went down there last year, very crowded, heaving. So if I can get some good video, then I will. But if I can't, then you won't even see this intro. So we'll have a look down there, see what it's like, and I'll see you in a minute when I get down there, and I'll show you the outside and bits and pieces that are in there, show you the traders and that. But say last year it was heaving, and hope it's not this year. Hope it's a bit easier this year. Okay, see you later. Well, we've arrived. This is a car park which is totally full. So we had to go down the road. That's the venue there. So looks as if it's heaving again. So it's quite a big car park, but it doesn't take long to get full. Anyway, we'll go in and see if I can get to any exhibits. Couldn't do last year. Anyway, give it a go. See you in a minute.
Oh, I still got to make it look nuclear flask. It's a nuclear flask. Don't get too close. Get your radio. So, but watching it's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Is it double O? Double O?
H-O.
H-O?
Yeah.
H-O, so. Oh, you can see it from there now.
No, I'm not prepared to pay £300 to break up and risk it getting damaged.
You said that they'd be great, wasn't that the 116? The one you spent all the nails, filling the lines in the
Get your fingers in for a minute.
So what?
Yeah.
Make sure what you're white. You're white. 16. The white one.
We've got it down there.
Lovely, isn't it?
One on the, with some of the lens.
Oh, right, yeah. This is YouTube, goes on YouTube.
Why does it stop? I don't know. Because there's a video camera on. Carry on. No?
No, I go from here. Building
Stripped out.
Manchester one. Yeah, that's the Manchester one. Which I will run later. Manchester Express, Oh yeah, they're all motorised. So many friends, old friends. Oh, they're beautiful, mate. And they all run reasonably well, so yeah. Yeah, that's got 2 motors in it, that one. Yeah, that one's only got 1 motor. Yeah.
That might be on YouTube yet. Look at that.
Sense of humour. Just don't send it to New Scotland Yard, will you? They want to know where I am.
Be on Delft Junction.
Huh?
Be on Delft Junction.
Yeah.
So that's all Lego?
It's all Lego. There's some bits that are custom made for us, just because they don't exist in traditional Lego. But yeah, 99% is real Lego.
Oh, he does that all right. He's been in here once. Yeah.
Have you picked your name for your Celtic yet?
Yeah.
You've just not got as far as naming it?
No, I need to get it printed. It's got a number.
Yeah. Just get the titles.
It's the Celtic on my first train.
Yeah.
And that
Quite, what was something else? Oh, and then right, yeah, so nice and light.
It's not too bad, but it just went through
So you have to take force.
Which one am I working on? Come on.
Anyway, you look after yourself.
And you, Brian. We'll see you. We'll say, don't see you before. We'll see you at Stanford.
Yeah, that's how it came about. But funny enough, I watched the YouTube video about layout size of Royal Rail Scotland, and that big O-gauge layout that was based in Scotland. Diesel electric, sort of 1980s, 90s layout era, and it takes a fanatic trailer to take it. So, and they need a 7.5 tonne just for the stock. But I'm thinking, in this day and age, who's it going to cost to, the club
First World War.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's two roads and roads, and I think it's based on the German racing around, I was just like, yeah, all the way around the layout, yeah. Great stuff.
It was awkward to display though, because you had to be all the way around it, didn't it? It had to stand alone, didn't it?
Yes, that's right. I picked the two locos that run the same speed.
More or less.
Yeah, well, the other two run faster.
Yeah.
So we're all right with providing you
Them together.
as a pair. So you don't have to bother with the control, you just use the switch. And we've got graphited the rails, so that will slip on start up.
This one? Yeah. This is your 7 mil now.
Would be.
Got a rock concert going on.
It's music as well.
Right, done 14 exhibits. This is the venue, or part of it. Those doors over there, you go down there, as I said, this is a school. You go down there and you go to all the classrooms, and they've got all individual exhibits in the classrooms. This fellow here bought some great lot of lights off him, got a big variety of stuff. Anyway, we're going to have a look at some of the trade stands and see what they've got here. Going to have a cup of tea in a minute, I think. Feel one coming on. Okay. This is Great Eastern Railway. Comes from Norfolk. Got quite a big choice of stuff here. Hello, Ed.
Hello.
Quite a big choice. Here's one. Very good variety of logos. Good prices as well. Get some bargains here.
Cheers, Pop.
Quite a big choice.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers, mate.
Right, you can buy some hats and things here. Hats, t-shirts, a few bits and pieces. Choice of paints and things. Wee brushes. You get some pictures that go nice on the old train wall. 175, that 37, 175 quid, too much for me, we're all 175, they're 110, well out of my budget. These are the corridors I was talking about, and you go down there and you've got loads of little rooms, you go into little rooms, this is where all the other exhibits are. You go down there and you've got more rooms. So it's quite a big place really. Even got a little ride-on bit outside, look.
There and back to see how far it is.
Yeah, don't get lost. Looks like fun.
It has to be done.
Look at this.
The little outside section gives them a little ride. Clive? Hey, Clive?
Yeah, well, that's his back.
Ain't been bad.
No, good,
time of it,
good little
isn't
dive,
it?
good
Yeah.
little do.
Sunshine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Try and sit up straight.
Enjoy yourself.
Oh yeah.
Folks, hope you enjoyed that. It's quite a nice exhibition this year. Wasn't as crowded as last year. There's quite a few exhibits. I think what did I do? 14, I think. But there weren't many trades there this year. There's more there last year. And I met Clive from Newlynn Railways. Fantastic bloke, got on well, had a cup of coffee together and had a wander around, and we were looking at things together, and it's a nice day, sunshine, so sort of rounded it off nicely, and I kept my word to Sue, my wife. I didn't buy any locos, so I've done pretty well, but I did buy a couple of little things. Didn't spend much money at all. Bought some flexi-trek, 3 bits, 3 lengths, £8.50. That ain't bad, is it? £5 something at my local shop, model shop. And I bought some lights, little lights to go on the outside of buildings. Got a little resistor put on them. Can't really see them, but little lights to go on the building. That's all I bought this time. On the last exhibit I did, is a young lad. It's only a small layout. He does it in his bedroom. He's a very young lad. How old do you reckon he was? About 13, 14. It's amazing what he's done at that age. It's fantastic. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and please like, share and subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you next time, probably when I'm doing a bit of modelling. About time I did that, wasn't it? Okay, thank you.